In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get a driver's license in Australia. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Getting a driver's license in Australia involves a graduated licensing scheme. This means that you progress through different stages to gain experience and demonstrate competency. This specific rule set and requirements may vary slightly depending on the states and territories. So, for example, New South Wales might differ from Victoria, that differs from South Australia, and so on. But in general, it is similar. So, I'm going to give you a breakdown. If you also want to follow along and learn more, you can visit the website for your specific state or territory. So, for example, service.nsw.gov.au. And in all of these pages, you will be able to find the driving and transport category, and finally, driver and rider license, where in here you have the option getting an NSW or any other state's driver's license. So for new drivers who don't have a prior license, you will have to acquire the learner's permit. Generally, you can apply for a learner's permit at 16-year-old. And you will have to take a knowledge test, which involves a theory test and a driver's knowledge test. You will undergo an eyesight test as well and proof of identity, so you must provide the required identification documents. Once you have the learner's permit, you can drive a car with a fully licensed supervising driver. You must display the L plates on your vehicle. Most states require a significant number of supervised driving hours, for example 75 to 120, including a certain amount of night driving recorded in a logbook. Like I said before, all of the specific instructions for your particular state will be displayed here. So after you go through this initial process, you will have the provisional license. The P plates known as P1 and P2 will involve more refined tests like the hazard perception test, practical driving test, P1 provisional license, and then P2 provisional license, depending on how much time you have held your provisional license 1 for. After this, and after you hold your P2 provisional license for a required period, such as 2 years, and you meet the age requirements, you can apply for a full unrestricted driver's license. This will once again take you into an eyesight test, and besides this, there's no further tests. I hope I was able to help you on how to get a driver's license in Australia. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.